Hello guys! Good afternoon from Portugal. Today I have 25 euro session mix of 5 euro tickets. Hola a todos! Mais dia de luta! Santa Casa! Vamos jogar e ganhar! Hoje eu tenho mix nas raspadinhas e todas moedas americanas. Vamos começar. Let's start. Moedas americanas. American coins, guys, in English. Okay, all American coins because Portuguese channels didn't have coins. I only 2 active channels. I'm the only one who upload every day. The most stupid channel in the history in Portugal. Okay? It's good to be stupid, guys. More happy. The happiest people in the world is stupid. Stupid. The happiest people in the world are stupid people. For example, me. Okay, let's start. Set. It's a matching number game outside Portugal. The locals know how to play in this game. And if we uncover 7, single prize, double 7, double the prize, triple 7, triple prize. And use Miss Money. Okay, we're looking for 29 in Portuguese numbers, guys. Okay, I don't need to translate in English. 29, 11, 22, 12, 44, 42, 33, 32, 45, 21, 52, 40, 19, 34, 43, 51, 31, 46, 15, 49, nada. 18, my favorite number. 53, 20, 35, 25, 48, 36 y... Oh my Dios, nada. Okay, so there's no win. I will review if I miss numbers. Sometimes I miss numbers. Okay, let's go to Estrellas de Sorte. Can I use this coin? M2M, Grab and Gamble, give this to me. G-Sard Scratches. Okay, outside Portugal, how to win in this ticket? We're looking for 3 like symbols. And in the bonus area, we're looking for 3 stars to win 20 euro automatically. Okay, the jackpot in this ticket, guys, is a star. This one is 500, but no. Set. No. Nope. And the annoying barcode. Estrella. No. This is 20. No. No. And no. So 2 tickets in the row are losers. Let's go to Super Recompensa. Or Super Reward. I'm gonna use Eternity Luck Scratcher. Outside Portugal, how to win in this ticket? We're looking for these 4 symbols. Stack of cash, a watch to win 50, a stack of cash to win the prize shown, a watch to win 50, a sport to win 100, and roda or wheel, we win 150. Come on, ticket, be a winner. Be a winner. Meu Dios. Un ticket. Wake up. No. 3 in the row. That's why I don't like sometimes to do mixed tickets, guys, because it's difficult to win. Maybe this coin, random red, give me a big win. We're looking for a 50x. It's a matching number, obviously. We're looking for 17, 21, 16, 37, and 39. Ay! I found the 2x. Nice. But I accidentally scratched the amount. Okay, so 2x 5, 32, 22. Come on, give me one match. 31, 24, 18, 13, 37. Ay, nice! I found a match, guys. 37 and a 2x. 24, 23, 33, 41, 34. Come on, give me one more match. 43 y 28. So, 2x and a match. Come on, give me at least 10. Okay, so this is a 15 euro win, guys. It's nice. Okay. 2x and a match. Is it possible? 2x 5 and 5. Okay, so confirm. Luckily, random red coin. Give. My camera is crazy. Give prizes today. Okay, save the session, guys. So I got 15 so far. Hopefully this is a winner. Come on, M2M. M2M, grab and gamble. This is our country's flag. Okay. Super Pedimea. It's a matching number game. Matching symbol game. And the multiplier. Plus 3 like prices of money bag. There is 2,000 for 12 years, 1,500 for 5 years, 750 for 3 years. Every month, guys. Okay, let's hope this is a winner. At least money back. Come on, Santa Casa, don't take all my money every day. Also, give me also some money. Okay, we're looking for notas or stack of cash, uso or bone, and diamante or diamond. Estrella, Chapeo de Suerte or lucky hats. Moedas, coins, Duende, elf, Cofre, safe. Why did you give me a lot of Duendes, Santa Casa? I don't need Duende. Why so many Duende? Money bag, must be 3. Tesoro, treasure chest, a wallet or cartera in Portuguese, money bag, 2,000, one more 2,000, guys. Come on, ticket. Pata and no. There's no matching symbol. This is prices, guys. Barcode, okay. How about the multiplier? 2x. No. 5x, rainbow. No. 10x. Nada. Why you don't give 10x Duende? Ay, Santa Casa. Always take my money. Always and forever. Why you give me a lot of Duende when I don't need Duende? Okay, so I managed to find only 2 money bags. So must be 3 to win. Okay, so luckily this 50x saved me, guys. Okay, so I got 15 out of 25, which is not bad. Not bad. Okay. Santa Casa. Always donation. Always likes my donation. I scratched Portugal Lottery for 3 years, guys. I haven't got a claimer. Okay, so I got 15 euros back out of 25 euro session, which is not bad, guys. Not bad. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao. I got 30 euro off camera win, guys. Matching number 42 for 30 euro. Woohoo! Not a big win, but I can buy more losing tickets. 42, 42, 30 euros. Santa Casa, Abreu, Gavita. Ciao.